Alright guys, so as you can see, we welded out the two boxes. These are the long mid boxes. There is no rear boxes, it's just the front. As you can see, we already got these mounted on. It's a good thing we didn't weld this on yet, because this had to actually come off in order to even get this through the frame rail. So this is what I had to do in order for this to work. I actually like it. It's a lot cleaner look. And then essentially, because it's a low profile, you don't get that space that you would normally get with these being on the top. So no big deal. We went through that, everything's good. And then we welded all of these on. These are all squared to 19 inches underneath and 22 at the top, which leaves about 24.25 to the top. Other than that, everything's looking good. You've seen the frame was all completely welded out, ground down. It's built like a brick shit house, but you could tell that these are a little shallower than the last ones. Not by much, a couple inches, I think about 3 inches, mainly because where the spring perches come out and I need room in order to get a bolt in there. So I just ended up doing it a little bit shallower, and it looks a lot better anyway. And there'll be more room in the back, so we'll have plenty of space to work with.